Warning. This is not a test. An entity known as Entity 303 has escaped containment near you. You must follow this alert to stay safe. Barricade all doors and windows with wood. Take your family and hide in a basement or other secure room. The entity will be recontained. Thank you for listening to this alert. Secure, contain, protect. Warning. This is not a test. The anomaly known as Entity 303 has infiltrated the state of Michigan. All citizens of Michigan must evacuate to neighboring states, such as Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and Wisconsin. Take your family and pack only the essentials. The SCP Foundation is working hard to recontain the anomaly. Thank you for listening to this alert. Evacuate now. Secure, contain, protect.
Warning. The SCP Foundation failed to terminate the entity known as Entity 303. All citizens of the USA must evacuate to neighboring countries, such as... Why evacuate? Stay here. There is nothing to be afraid of. There is nothing to be afraid of. There is nothing to be afraid. You must evacuate within 72 hours. Good luck. Secure. Contain. Protect. Warning, warning, this is not a test. An entity is in your area. It is dangerous. It resembles a humanoid shadow, 5 feet tall, with glowing red eyes. You must immediately check all rooms and turn on the lights. If your basement or attic is already dark, do not enter. Extreme risk of death will be present. If your power goes out,
it will already be too late.
Okay, I think the thing is in my home. Oh no! He's chasing